so I get started. Anyway, we're looking at tanks. We're kind of going to look at, basically some stuff. Talk about fixed tanks. We're not talking about mobile DOT, mobile fuelers, that kind of thing. We'll go over some permits and inspection requirements. We'll go over a little bit about plan check, and I think we're kind of going to not go over a lot of the SPCC stuff, so we'll see as we go. Some of these slides I'm going to go over a little bit quickly. So anyway, the fire code we're talking about specifically, we're not talking about health and safety code, we're not talking about the ASME, and we're talking about what's in the fire code. And so basically it is incorporated in Title 24 of the California Code of Regulations. There's also a building code which references some of these standards. Anyway, Title 24, it is available online, I believe. And I know the fire code this year, for the first time, I believe, is available online. Usually they make it available after they sell all the books, and we have a copy of the 2010 California Code. Just a little bit of background. For many years we were on the Uniform Code, Uniform Series in California, and up to 2001 we were Uniform Fire, Uniform Building, Plumbing, Mechanical, and such. And then 2003 or so we adopted the International Code. So these codes, the 2010 California Code is really the 209 International Fire Code we've adopted in California for 2010. Same with the mechanical codes, and all the rest of the codes are all based on the international codes. Anyway, we have, in addition to the fire code, some cities, some counties have local ordinances. I know we have in Orange County some sprinkler ordinances. We've added to the fire code and different kinds of things that are more specific, and any city can do that, any county can do that. So in addition to your fire code, which is based in California, it takes the international code, makes it into a California code with some amendments and adoptions and things. And there's also local ordinances will make some changes on those as well. So you have to look in a couple of places when you're trying to find out. We have a few things in the fire code and the building code. We can call it alternate methods. That's not chapter 104, that's not chapter 10, that's chapter 1 in the fire code. They call it section 104. Practical difficulties. If you can't comply with the code, you're allowed a couple of these things. The alternate means and methods, we call it AM&M, to submit something that's as safe or safer, but not quite meeting the exact language in the fire code. There's a practical difficulties clause. That happens to do with, say this particular picture is showing, a flammable or combustible liquid tank right next to a building. Well, what they probably did to avoid the setbacks and the distances, they probably built a 4-hour wall. It's supposed to extend 18 inches above the tank. So practical difficulties in AM&M, those are type things you do when you can't quite meet the intent of the code, but you're providing a safe alternative. Also, for the first time in a while, we've had really the risk management plan, the CalArt program, is actually basically spelled out in 2701 as a performance-based design alternative. Nobody quite has said, I want to submit a CalArt on this process in lieu of complying with some of these things in the fire code. But performance-based design section, if you read that, that's the table of contents to the risk management plan and CalArt program. If you actually look at the 12 elements of it.